Brandon Chumway. I'll be attending USAO to play baseball and studying in kinesiology. I'll most likely be playing outfield for USAO. I think it'll be really good for me because it's like a coach who knows you and knows your potential. So I think that'll help.
Brad Gore. I was Brandon's baseball coach for 3 years. Brandon is a really good kid. He's a hard worker, great athlete, and an even better person. So I'm really excited for Brandon, where his future is headed and where he's going.
I am Brandon Chumway's father. I'm Brad Chumway, coaching when he was young all the way up to junior high and then let the other coaches take care of him. He saved a kid that fell in the fire a long time ago, and he saved their child that night. It was at a campfire. It was pretty bold of a man for him.
My name is Cody Spurlin, and I am Brandon's older brother. I've been very, very lucky to be a part of Brandon's life and watch him grow up into the young man that he is today. I'm very happy to see him go far in baseball and in life. He's turned into a great young man that I'm very proud to call my little brother. All of my friends used to pick on him like crazy, but it made him tougher, and he's definitely learned to control that and put it to a positive use. I love you, Brandon, and I know you're going places. Just keep your head up and stay strong.
I'm Eric Hughes. I am Brandon's head baseball coach for Chickasha High School. Brandon is a tremendous kid, an unbelievable athlete. He's always got a smile on his face. He plays hard for us, and him going to the next level, couldn't expect anything less. He's got a bright future ahead of him, and he deserves this opportunity.
I'm Leon Shumway, and I'm Brandon's granddad. He's just a super kid, and he's got a desire to win anything he does.
I am Brandon's Nana Marcia. Brandon's moving to USAO in school is quite an endeavor for a young man who is allowing God to choose his pathway, and we're very proud of him. Being in constant motion from the time he was born until now has paid off for him out in center field. He moves very quickly and has a good eye for seeing the ball come off the bat and making the play when it needs to happen.
Mike Ross, baseball coach at the University of Science and Arts of Oklahoma, and fortunately for us, he's going to come in and play some outfield for us. I've seen Brandon ever since he was a little kid. I remember being LJ's assistant, and Brandon would be around and be at the park, so I've known him a long time, and it's been nice to watch him grow up. Really excited to have him. He's got a lot of tools. Be able to sign a young kid out of high school like this is good for our future.
I'm Carla, Brandon's mother. Brandon has been playing baseball since he was 4 years old. His dad always coached his team. His grandpa, Leon, helped. And even Nana Marcia would get out in the backyard and throw balls to him. We are excited that he's going on to the next level to play baseball and work on getting his college education. Growing up, we used to say he'd be either a president or a preacher because he never met a stranger. He would always wave at everybody and smile at everybody and really want to talk to them. He was always a younger brother of Cody Spurlin, 8 years younger, and once Cody left the house, of course he was spoiled rotten, being the youngest baby of the family. Once he got older, he loved children just like his brother loved him, and it makes me proud. I think he will do well in life.